What is up, guys? This video is pretty much for the wire tuck video. I kind of have like 3 different directions I'm going for this. Ultimately, I'm moving the radio because one, the wires are crap and the dude before me decided to cut the wire harness for some reason. I do not know why. And 2, I need a placement for my gauges, my AM Yugo, and a couple other ones like oil pressure and probably water temp. I don't want to do an A-pillar. I was almost thinking about tucking them into the glove box with the radio, or I'm going to do a little single din. I haven't figured that out yet. Pretty much, I broke this guy taking it out, so I was able to get a new one. I detailed it up a little bit better and kind of cleaned it up. We put this guy into the glove box. Nothing crazy. Went to Best Buy, got it up for 89 bucks if it'll focus. Got it for 89 bucks. Not bad. Just wanted the Bluetooth because I can connect my phone and I won't have to worry about it. I can shut the glove box if I want, and plus I have a remote from my old Kenwood that actually works on this because I have this in my other car. I did have footage for the thing. Here's the wires. I was going to buy some other stuff for it. I'm hoping this should be enough wire. It probably isn't, but my plan is to use this as like the power, any other auxiliaries, the constant, crap like that. This will be my speaker wire, and then black, of course, will be the grounds for everything. I want to twist them all up and make it nice. I pretty much want to maintain the interior of the car pretty clean. I don't want to flood it with shit. I want to make it clean. So I don't know where I'm going to put these gauges yet, but I do need these gauges, so we will see what happens, unless I want to Bluetooth the on data off my phone and have all the gauges run there. Look a little weird, but then again, I could also use maybe a tablet or something and just host it there for now. But let's get started on this. I ripped apart the dash already, but my GoPro decided to fuck up again and only record me pretty much pulling the bezel out of its last bit, like maybe 5 minutes. So I will post that what I can, but I'm going to be using this camera now for the soldering and the wire harness, so that way my shit doesn't fuck up and actually get good time lapses. Yeah, I'm gonna try and time lapse for the soldering, but we'll see what happens. I don't know. But so, let me see here. Here's my harness so far. That'll probably be a little hard to tell, but I don't have the piece on it right now to very much the harness cover, but as you can tell, I got it ready to go. Moment of truth. I'll just sit it right here. Hopefully I get something. Let's get this piece of plastic off of there. Alright, here we go. So hopefully the constant works. So we'll shut it off. And hopefully the constant stays. And it did. Alright, what is up, guys? Let's see if we can get that in. Yes, it's clean. Alright, here's where I left off. I didn't really get to show you guys too much of this, but here's the pretty much the harness. What I did is got those little cover protectors. It was like $2 at Harbor Freight, like I showed you. There's that one. That's good. And we're pretty much ready to rock. I made a little extra on the ground just in case, and then these were the extra ones that I had already. If anyone knows what these go to, unless they go to the stock radio, that'd be cool, but this is pretty much how it works. It's been working like this. All I need to do now, drill a quick hole right here. I'm gonna do that with the hole saw. I'll see if I can get it to do it while filming, but I only just have me and my camera here. And then I'm gonna probably throw my center console back in, and then I'll be good. So let's do this. We'll get this guy going. Harness is ran through the dash. Don't mind this. This guy installed some freaking random kill switch that I'm gonna reroute later. So here's the harness. I got the hole drilled inside the glove box. Hopefully that should just be clean enough. This isn't gonna be the permanent glove box. I gotta get a different one because it's all scratched up in the front. I think the person before me had a dog or something. I don't know. But I'm just going to probably toss this guy in there for now too. Just to have, I'll worry about it later. And put the clip back in. And that should be all she wrote for that, guys. Yep. Looks like I'll have to pull it back a little. Fits in. This is what I got going on so far. It's actually in there pretty good. I got just some Velcro, as you can tell, just to kind of temporarily hold it in place. This will not be my permanent. As you can tell, the person had like a dog or something, so next time I run to the junkyard, this will be one of my things I'm going to be picking up. Alright guys, so I will probably end the video like this. This will pretty much be where my car will be sitting like for now. It's pretty much together. I can drive it around if I need to. I'm just waiting on my one final piece. It should be coming in Monday to replace the radio din in the center bezel, and then I'll be able to install the center bezel and all that. I will be able to pretty much be leaving it like this. Nice. Alright, so yeah, so once I get this guy in, then I will pretty much be updating my next video. It will be probably, I already have the gauge, pretty much wink wink wideband. I want to trend data on the stock ECU. I'm going to try to before I just swap in the new Honda and everything. We'll see if that works, because I think I could just remove my test pipe and get the bung welded in. If not, I might just go for it and throw in the Honda. I'm trying to get some questions back on the Wi-Fi, but it's kind of hit or miss, so we might just go for it or not. We'll see. Worst case scenario, like I said, mini-me swap it if it doesn't work out, but I think it might. I think we should be good, but I think that's pretty dope. Once I get a new glove box, I'll replace all that crap and put some new Velcro in there probably for now. I don't know if I want to put my gauges right here or right here, so that way I can look at them while I'm driving, or I want them right here. I don't know yet. I'll probably start them off here, and if I don't like it, I will be throwing them into the glove box too, and then just getting a radio delete. But I will be ending this video on this. If you guys like any more, please wait for the next video. hopefully within the next couple days I will be getting it out after this guy, so because I really want to see this thing cleaned up and put in here and see how it all is completely thrown together. I'm excited where it's going. But if you guys have any other suggestions, please let me know. I got that piece too, but I just have to wait for that one bolt and then we'll be good. But let me know. I will be also probably replacing this with a 99 2000 cup holder. I'll make something separate on that too. It'll be pretty quick. It's only 4 bolts. It's nice. But other than that, if you guys like this, please like, comment, subscribe, and yes, have a good one.